tornado in Indonesia. Several districts of the city of Jepara, Central Java, Indonesia, were affected by the passage of a tornado. According to media reports, as a result of the violence of the elements, about 50 houses were partially or completely destroyed.
Earthquake in Mexico. An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 occurred in the Mexican state of Oaxaca. Hearth lay at a depth of 48 kilometers. The epicenter was located 2 kilometers from the city of San Cristobal Amatlan and 90 kilometers from Oaxaca. Australia continues to struggle with large-scale floods. At the moment, 40,000 people have already been evacuated. Rescue operations are continuing, but there are 6 times more messages with requests for help, the authorities say. Flooding and strong winds in Brazil. On the night of March 2nd, heavy rains hit the state of San Paulu in Brazil. According to local media reports, 80 millimeters of precipitation fell in 6 hours. This amount was enough for several districts of the eponymous city of Sao Paulo to be locally flooded. Subscribe to the channel to support us. Videos will be released every day. Thanks.